Cream soda, the sweet side of English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the tasty world of English phrases by exploring the term cream soda. If you've ever been curious about this delightful term, you're in for a treat. Cream soda is a sweet, carbonated soft drink. It's traditionally flavored with vanilla and has a creamy taste, hence the name cream soda. In different parts of the world, it might be clear, pink, or amber in color. So, if you ever hear someone asking for a cream soda, they're not looking for milk mixed with soda. They're talking about this special beverage. The term cream soda dates back to the 19th century. While the exact origins are debated, some believe it might have been because the original recipes used a bit of cream or milk. Today, most cream sodas don't contain actual cream, but they retain the creamy, vanilla flavor that made them popular. Let's put our new knowledge into practice. Here are a few examples. 1. My favorite drink at the diner is cream soda. 2. Did you know they launched a new cream soda flavor? 3. I'd love a scoop of ice cream in my cream soda. And there you have it. Now you know what cream soda is, a bit about its history, and how to use it in a sentence. We hope you've enjoyed this delicious dive into the English language. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.